Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Matt, your virtual Fiery IQ assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how to correctly uninstall Fiery JobFlow. So let's get started. Note: make sure that you deactivate your JobFlow license prior to removing the software. Once your LAC has been deactivated, you will be ready to uninstall Fiery JobFlow. To do this, there are a total of 4 programs and a couple of folders, if they are present, that will have to be removed. First, go to the Windows Add or Remove Programs utility. Then select JobFlow and then uninstall it. Next, select Agali and then uninstall it. The next program to be uninstalled is Apache. Then the last program to uninstall is called Ruby. Once Windows has uninstalled all of these programs, delete folders C:\ruby19 and C:\program files x86 \Apache Software Foundation if they apparent. Now restart the computer. And that is how you correctly uninstall Fiery JobFlow. Thanks for watching.